Nature life. Nature is beautiful, colorful, and gives us joy and happiness. Nature is peace. The nature provides us, the human beings and all the living beings, with food, water, shelter, and nature is always developing. Nature comprises of the organisms, the land, the plants, the weather changes, and nature is alive, thriving, and changing. Nature teaches humans a lesson. What is it? Live life completely, whole, wholesome. Cherish the beauty, enjoy, and be present in every moment. Every moment is different, like the changing climate, the changing environment, the changing nature. Nature teaches us a lesson. Every bright morning, where the sun rises, all organisms wake up, and every night during the sunset, and when the moon comes out, the bright stars shine, giving everybody a hope when they go to sleep. You can see the rays of hope there. The sun is there shining. It gives us hope that every day is a new day. Every life is a new life. And every day needs to be cherished and lived wholesome, happily.